There are ancestral trades that settle for generations in people and their hometowns. Toledo is history. Toledo is steel and fire. Master Arellano has been working for over 50 years on the Forge Blacksmith Workshop, and now GoCraft has the pleasure of inviting you into Maestro Arellano's sword-making workshop. Travel through time and discover the steel secrets. Experience the feeling the sword making can give you. Along with the artisan himself, get to know all the ancient techniques which made Toledo swords famous worldwide. Enjoy at the exhibition Swords Through History, with unique masterpieces from each era and civilization. Welcome to GoCraft. Welcome to something different.